Hi class, today we're looking at writing ratios and then proportions. Let's take a look at what a ratio should be. For example, a volleyball team plays 14 home matches and 10 away matches. Find the ratio of home matches to away matches. So what do you read first? You first read the word home matches, so that must be the first thing that you write on the ratio. So it's going to be in the numerator. Then you read 2 away matches. The away matches was second, so that must be on the denominator. So basically you have 14 to 10. Simplify it, you get 7 to 5, because they're both divisible by 2. Now, find the ratio of home matches to all matches. So the home matches was 14, but all the matches you have to take the 14 plus the 10, because that was all of the matches together. So you get 14 to 24. Now, of course, if you can simplify, you should. And since these are both divisible by 2, we divide them both by 2, and we get 7 to 12. Let's take a look at another problem. Actually, let's give you a chance to try it out. Read the question and answer the 2 problems here. Pause your video. Welcome back. The number of Derek CDs to the number of Brother CDs is 11 to 13. Number of Derek CDs to the number of CDs in the entire collection would be 11 to 24. All right, next example. Solve the proportion. What I would strongly suggest you do when you get a proportion like this, and a proportion, by the way, is just a fraction equal to a fraction. And what I would do is I would go ahead and multiply these 2 numbers. So I do 11 times 30 equals, and then do this cross multiplication, 6 times x. So we get 6x. So 11 times 30, for that we would get 330 equals 6x. Now divide those sides by the 6, and x equals 55. Now you could do it the way they show you here. They multiply both sides by 30. I just find the cross multiplication method I showed you over here easier. All right, let's take a look and have you guys try some. Here are some problems. Solve the proportion. I recommend doing the cross multiplication. And in the cross multiplication, you will simply multiply 7 times w, because you'll take and go to make like a little cross here. 7w, and equals 4 times 35. 4 times 35. And you can work from there and solve. Pause your video and try the next 2 questions and finish up number 3. Welcome back. If you finished this one, you would have found that the w was equal to 20. Cross multiply here to solve your proportion, and m equals 54. And number 5, you should have cross multiplied, and you would have had v equal to 30. Make sure you've shown all your work for these. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next video, or hear you on the next video.